Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. It's a big one, and you can see it right behind me. So in the last couple of videos, I showed some of these custom-made fences I built for my dad and my mom. And now they are installed. We just got done installing these guys. They're concreted into the ground, 2 feet deep. And we got horseshoes as the brackets connecting the panels together. Sorry about the wind noise, but it's 64 feet long and virtually indestructible, and it matches with the Gabion boxes that I also built. I did not fill those with rocks, so I can't take credit for that. All I did was shape and weld the boxes together. So now they have a nice fenced off area they can garden in, and they don't have to worry about javelina, T-Rexes, elephants, semi-trucks, or anything getting in there and chewing on their vegetables and fruits. There she is, a finished product. So we did both of those rows of Gabion boxes too. I don't remember how many there were. I think they're 4 feet long, and there's 16 of those maybe. I didn't do the chain link fence, someone else did that. But I did the custom made fence on the front here, and it does incorporate into the chain link fence using these square brackets. And it actually squared up this post right here. It's nice and neat. Makes everything nice and strong now. Now this part up here cannot bend out that way or in. It is now solid as a rock. It should last a lifetime or many lifetimes. So there you go. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or comments, pop those down below. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace.